My colleague directors, Shri D.K. Mohanty ji, Director Commercial, Shri A.K. Bagchi ji, Director Projects and Director Operations, Shri S.C. Pandey ji, Director Personnel and Director Finance, Shri S. Karuna Raju ji, our CEO, Shri Atar Mohammad Hanif ji, Commandant CISF, Madam Nupur Bhatt, President WIS Steel Mahila Samiti, senior officers, representatives of our beloved trade unions, Steel Executive Association, SC/ST Association, OBC Association, WIPs, ladies and gentlemen, and the most important part of our gathering today, our lovely school children. A very good morning to all of you. अंदर की स्वतंत्रता दिवोत्सव शुभाकांक्षलु. It is indeed a great pleasure to be amongst you here. I extend my warm greetings to all the employees of RINL and their family members on the occasion of the 77th Independence Day. I convey my Independence Day greetings to our CISF personnel who keep us and the plant safe, and our home guards. My greetings to all our suppliers, customers, partners, stakeholders, and each one of our well-wishers who have been associated with our long journey. On this day, our first thoughts go to the architect of this independence, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and to those brave souls who sacrificed their lives for us to rejoice in peace and boldly take forward their global mission of transforming this nation into a vibrant democracy. It is our bounden duty to pay our sincere homage to all those martyrs for their endless pursuit and unending quest to give reality to the dreams of a free India. On this day, let us reaffirm our commitment to make India an enviable nation with an ever-growing economy and a strong democratic values. The global economic growth has been slowing down, and according to the latest IMF World Economic Outlook, the baseline forecast is expected to fall from 3.4% in 22 to 2.8% in 23, before rising to 3% in 24. Amongst the emerging and market economies, India is at the top with 5% predicted growth rate during the year 23, and RBI has predicted a growth rate of 6.5% for the Indian economy during 23-24. So this gives an opportunity that India, being on a healthy growth track, with a rising share of investment in GDP thanks to the strong government spending on infrastructure, the growth in the residential sector, the affordable housing projects and urban demand, private investment is improving on the back of the product-linked incentive schemes, and the Indian capital sector growth is also expected to benefit from the momentum in infrastructure, in investment in renewable energy. The steel demand will continue to be good with an 8.2% growth in last year and this year 7.3%. Given this background of global and domestic steel demand, RINL is firmly on the path of recovery, and during the period, RINL concentrated on reorienting of strategies to optimize product mix and concentrate on niche markets and high-end value-added products. RINL made remarkable strides with some significant achievements. The cumulative hot metal production is 14.74 lakh tons, 7% higher than the corresponding period last year. The cumulative finished good production also in the first quarter was 21% higher, and the high-end value-added production also continued to increase. And in fact, if you see the last 2-3 months performance, whereas the NSR has dropped because of the slowdown and the slowdown in the demand, while the NSR dropped by about 7,200 from the beginning of the year, we have been able to reduce our variable cost. And I am very happy to report that due to improvement in the contribution margins and the production volume, the profitability has continued to improve in the last few months. And in July 23, we made a positive EBITDA and gross margin of 15 crores. So I would like to thank all of you for your immense contribution that RANL is now back into a positive EBITDA. With the further improvement in production through starting of the third blast furnace soon, I am confident that we will be able to achieve net profits in the very near future. Now, in spite of various adversities, RANL has continued to excel and has been receiving a lot of awards like the Green Tech Safety Award, the first position in the manufacturing mega sector in the 18th National Award for Excellence in Cost Management, first prize in the Ispat Rajbhasha Samman, and my best compliments to the RANL collective for this commitment. Now friends, as all of you know, we are at a very important point in the the turnaround that we are going to script. And in the next 3 months, as we have already taken the pledge, we have to turn around this company by starting the third blast operation and making sure that each and every unit of this glorious steel plant is utilized to the maximum extent. Now at this point of time, it is very important for us to be united, and I would like to reach out to all my contract employees, to all my beloved trade unions, and to all of you, that it is very important that in this very crucial time, that all of us, like the pledge that we have taken, have an unwavering commitment and a strong determination to bring about whatever changes is required, in terms of our, way of working, to make sure that in the next 2-3 months, we are able to bring this turnaround. Because it is only by creating value during ourselves that we can address all the issues of welfare, etc., of pay revision and various other issues that we face. We can only address them by creating value ourselves. And we are seeing a very clear-cut path ahead of us. That the oxygen plant has started working. It is doing very satisfactory operation since the time it started. We have to increase the working capital. There are some innovative schemes that we have come out with, which we are on the verge of finalization. Our variable cost is coming down month after month, and our production volumes are going up. It is only a matter of time, I think, by which we will see very healthy profitability figures on our balance sheets. And I would like to appeal to all of you that let us work together as one unit, as one collective, and make sure that we make this turnaround happen. So on this very important day, let us take a pledge that, like, the examples before of us, the martyrs who sacrificed their lives and who brought this independence to our country, we will also make this turnaround happen and make RANL the most profitable and the enviable steel company of amongst all. So thank you, and let us work together to make this company the pride of not only the country but the pride of the world. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.